Hello, in this video we'll show you how to insert an image and use the align command to scale it to actual size so it's a usable image. All right, so the first thing we have to do is we have to insert the image. So to do that, we could just type image. Okay, and then this box will pop up, and up here we'll say attach an image. And what we'll do is we'll navigate to where we want to insert our image from. So this is a site plan image I want to use, so I'm going to open that. It's going to ask me where I want to insert it. I'll put it at 0, 0, 0, the scale. We'll figure that out. So okay, so it inserted it at 0, 0, 0, and boom, that is my image that I'm going to use. I am concerned with this property. You can see it's lot 1. My cursor's not showing it because it's white and this is white. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my lines green. All right. So I'm going to try to look up the longest distance. So that's 119.63. This one's 208.2. This one's 177.68. I'm going to use this one here. I could get rid of this as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line from this. Let's do this. From this corner here to this corner here. Okay? So we know that line is 208.02 feet. Okay, this line, I'm going to use the list command li, is like 7 inches. Okay, so this thing is wildly out of scale. All right, so what I'm going to do is I need to make sure that this drawing gets scaled up so that line is actually that 208 feet. So the way I do that is I use the line command. I know that that's 208.2. So I start my line down here, and I click down here, and then I draw it up here, but I don't click yet, right? And what I do is you could see the 6 5/8 in the middle. So I'm going to change that to 208.02 feet. Make sure you use that symbol. And you can see that that's how big the actual line has to be, even though that's what I had it at. So we know that this drawing needs to get scaled up substantially to align with this. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the align command. So I'm just going to move this now. All right, so we see our green line. We see the actual size it's supposed to be. So what I want to do is I want to align this point here. I want to align this point with this, and then I want to align this point with the part that's way up here somewhere. So the way I do that is I use the align command. So I'll type ALIGN, boom. I'm going to select all of this stuff. I hit the space bar, and I want to align this point to here. I want to align this point to here. I'm going to hit the space bar, and it says scale objects based on alignment points. Yes, I want it scaled. Yes. And there we go. So now this line is you can see it here, 208 point, that would be 02 feet. So this in the electronic world is the proper size. But what I want to do is I want to get the whole perimeter of this. So what I'm going to use is the polyline command, because I need to draw setbacks. You can see these dashed lines that move around the property. Those need to be set back a certain distance. So the easiest way to do that is with the polyline command. And all that is simply tracing that outline. So I could start with this, go down to here, go up, and I'm just gonna zoom in, make sure it's pretty accurate, right? And back to the beginning again. Okay, and we get rid of that center line. So I'm going to move this guy out of the way so you can see what we got there. So this outline matches the outline in there. So this is our actual property line, okay? But what we need to do is we need to figure out what area is buildable. So in that, I'm going to tell you by their laws in this town, or where this is, it's 15 feet setback. So you can't build anything within 15 feet of the boundary of your property. So I can use the offset command, which is just O and then spacebar, or I can use this here, okay? And then it's going to specify offset distance. Mine's already set to 15, but you could just type in 15 and then apostrophe for feet, boom, and then select object to offset. I'm going to select this one. Specify point or side to offset. I'm going to set here. Boom. So this line is 15 feet away from this. And this is our allowable buildable area. It doesn't mean we could cover all of it, but what I want you to do is let me know, from your drawing and from scaling everything up. You hit LI. I want to see what your area is with this. Okay, that's all I have, and good luck with this.